Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sourdough starter. Now, some of you are going, well, I don't like sourdough. I just want to use my yeast and stuff. Well, think of it this way. If, as some people are preparing for, the big balloon goes up, it's the end of the world as we know it, and it's way beyond SHTF. There is no government, there's no companies making stuff. I mean, it is down the toilet. Oh, I'm okay. I got all these bricks of yeast in the freezer. And what happens in several years when those bricks are all gone? You don't have any more yeast. Sourdough is something that's been around for thousands of years. It's something that is absolutely fantastic if you've never had it. One of the interesting things about it is the starter can be saved. A few years back, thinking back now, it's probably closer to 20 years ago now. Company in San Francisco, famous for its sourdough, had some legal problems and went bankrupt. And while they were reorganizing and everything else, they took their sourdough starter, divided it up, took it to several different sites, and had it frozen. The reason they chose several sites, in case one of them had a malfunction in the freezer system, it would still be frozen and viable when they went to retrieve it, when they got the company ready to go back running again. And it worked. So if you have the need to make bread and you don't have yeast, sourdough is a way that you can do it. Now, what's interesting is sourdough, depending on the region and the bacteria used and stuff, tastes different. So if you find someone that has a good sourdough bread that you really like, see if they will share some of the starter with you. And then you can perpetuate that on from that starter. Now, if you're not ready to make bread from the sourdough starter, and someone gives you the starter that you really like, freeze it. All right? So, before I take off here, I want to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I do all my gardening and homesteading stuff. And I'm also doing my indoor garden experiment over there. And I'm going to place that right up here. And then I'm going to put another video playlist that you might be interested in up here, and another playlist down here. All right? See you around.